On the shores of Lake Victoria, the world's second largest freshwater lake, a transformation in the leather industry is unfolding. The Dar es Salaam Institute of Technology, Mwanza campus, is spearheading the development of the leather industry across East Africa. East Africa has long been blessed with abundant livestock, providing a wealth of hides and skins, the raw materials for a thriving leather industry. However, for years, the region has relied heavily on imported leather products. Now, that's changing.
DIT Mwanza campus falls under the sector of manufacturing, focusing on leather. DIT has really benefited on the collaboration between institutions outside the Tanzanian borders, such as the Federal TVET Institute, which is in Addis Ababa, Africa Leather and Leather Products Institute in Ethiopia, and Kisumu National Polytechnic. They are experienced in textile technology. Now, through this collaboration and regional integration, we have now been capacitated with new knowledge and skills in the textile. We also have been getting access to neighboring countries. Of recent, we trained students in Burundi, Bujumbura, on basic shoemaking. We also have trained Rwandese. We also training Machakos Polytechnic on how to make leather footballs. So this regional integration is very vital in terms of the technology transfer.
Through the East Africa Skills for Transformation and Regional Integration Project, EASTRIP, the World Bank and African governments have joined forces to create a network of specialized TVET institutes. Among these, the DIT Mwanza campus stands out as a regional flagship for leather products and allied industries. Funded by the government of the United Republic of Tanzania and the World Bank, this regional flagship TVET Institute boasts modern classrooms, student hostels, a tannery, and a teaching factory. These facilities will facilitate students to acquire skills needed to compete in the global leather market.
Major achievements can be categorized after the EASTRIP implementation. One, we had infrastructure which could have only support around 200 students. We now have infrastructures which can support and accommodate more than 2,800 students. We now have the teaching block which can support students more than 800. It has lecture theaters and classrooms. We have academic block. It can accommodate more than 2,000 students at a time, and it comprises of lecture theaters, classrooms, scientific laboratories, testing laboratories, and ICT laboratories. We have hostels for female students and for male students. Maximum capacity at the moment is 288 students. And finally, we do have leather building. This is actually a teaching factory. It's used in the training of how to process hides and skins, all the way from its initial stage to finished leather, finally to leather manufacturing articles.
Kujifunza katika chuo hichi mmeweza kunikuzia ujuzi ule wa kutengeneza bidhaa bora ambayo inaweza kauzika hata nje ya nchi, hususan katika utengenezaji wa bidhaa za ngozi kama mabegi, viatu, mikanda.
Project niliyoifanya ni kutengeneza viatu ambayo ilinisaidia kwenda kuuza na kupata kipato. Kumbe hii tasnia ya bidhaa za ngozi inaweza kanifikisha sehemu na inaweza chanzo cha mapato kwangu.
Nimeweza kutengeneza bidhaa tofauti tofauti hususan viatu, na nimeweza kuuza kutokana na oda ninazopata, na nimeweza kupata kipato kinachonisaidia katika kujikimu.
Mradi wa EASTRIP ulitusaidia.
Tulipata mabadilishano ya wanafunzi baina ya Tanzania na Kenya. Tulifanikiwa kwenda chuo cha ngozi TKNP ambao ni
Kisumu National Polytechnic kwa ajili ya mafunzo zaidi.
Tulikwenda kujifunza namna ya uchakataji wa textile ambao ni vitambaa, kuanzia inavyotoka katika pamba mpaka kufikia kitambaa ambacho kikatumika kutengeneza nguo,
ambao mtumiaji yoyote anaweza kuitumia.
Baada ya kumaliza kujifunza hapa, natarajia kujiajiri binafsi na pia kuajiri vijana wenzangu.
But this isn't just about Tanzania. The institute's strategic location makes it a hub for the entire region. Students and trainers from Uganda, Kenya, Rwanda and Burundi are coming together to share knowledge and skills and foster regional integration.
Nashukuru mradi wa EASTRIP kwa kuwezesha mafunzo haya yanayojumuisha vyuo mbalimbali kutoka ukanda wa Afrika Mashariki kujifunza hii teknolojia mpya ya utengenezaji wa bidhaa za ngozi na iweze kuongeza thamani kwenye bidhaa zetu huko Kenya.
Tunaomba na wengine kule Rwanda waje huku wajifunze ili Rwanda tuwe wengi ufanya bidhaa vya ngozi.
The center has forged crucial partnerships with local leather industries and international institutions like the Africa Leather and Leather Products Institute in Ethiopia.
Through this EASTRIP, we have already exchanged different technologies from Tanzania to Ethiopia, Ethiopia to Tanzania. I am able to construct those orthopedic footwears because I've gained that knowledge from Ethiopia. Even the Ethiopians, we taught them about the construction of football. So after gaining the knowledge and skills from Ethiopians, so now we are able to transfer the knowledge and skills to our students.
This initiative goes beyond education. It's about economic transformation, job creation, and reducing dependence on imported leather goods.
Elimu niliyoipata DIT imenisaidia sana. Nimejiajiri, nafanya shughuli zangu na maisha yangu yanaendelea kwa sababu kile ninachokifahamu ninaweza kukifanyia kazi katika mazingira tofauti tofauti. Na washauri pia vijana wenzangu, ajira ni changamoto, lakini ukiwa na fani za mikono unaweza kufanya mahali popote, hata kwa mtaji wa kiwango kidogo, sio tu kutegemea kuajiriwa.
From footwear to furniture, the potential for value addition in the leather industry is vast. The center will facilitate processing our own hides and skins, keeping wealth within our communities and boosting exports.